Hey, good morning, everybody. So we are on to lesson 6-4, two-step equations. If you take a look at the right side of this equation, remember the whole chapter is about equality. What will make the left side and the right side equal to each other? We've been isolating the variable and balancing the equation, and that's going to continue on lesson 6-4. The difference is now it's a two-step equation. If we take a look, ignore the negative 10 for a second. Look at the x. What are the two things being done to the variable? Well, I see 3x. That means I'm multiplying. And I also see plus 8. So the two things that are being done on the right side of the equation are multiplication and addition. So you want to undo those in the reverse order. So we're going to undo adding 8 with the inverse. The inverse operation of adding 8 is subtracting 8. So notice I put that minus 8 underneath both sides of my equation. Where did I keep the equation balanced? On the right. Excuse me, on the left. Where did I isolate the variable? On the right. So the positive 8 here and the negative 8 here, 8 minus 8 is 0. It's like I showed you in that isolating the variable video, which some of you should go check out. It's really helpful, and not a lot of people got a chance to watch it. And now I have a negative 10 and a negative 8. They're both negatives, so they're on the same team. I add them together, and how many negatives do I have in total? Now I have a total of negative 18. What's left on the right side of my equation? 3x plus 3x. So I bring the positive 3x down. And now a two-step equation has become a one-step equation. I have to undo multiplication by dividing by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1x is just x. And negative 18 divided by 3, different signs means it's a negative, and 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. So the solution is negative 6 equals x. Now, for 3 of the problems on your classwork, you're also going to have to check it. So here's the check step. I take my answer, that negative 6, and I'm going to plug it in to the original equation. The original equation was 8 plus 3x. So I rewrote the equation. Now I'm going to do my substitution. I put the negative 6 where the x was. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18, or just minus 18. And 8 minus 18, okay, is negative 10. So negative 10 equals negative 10. You have to complete 12 problems today. The practice worksheet has 24 problems. You're doing 12 of them. When you are done with those 12 problems and you've shown all your work, you're going to go back and complete problems number 1, number 2, and number 3 with check steps. Okay, just put that at the end and number it 13, 14, 15. So you'll do 15 problems worth of work. 12 of them will be getting the solution, and the last 3 will just be check steps for the first 3 problems on the worksheet. That'll be a total of 15 practice problems, and you'll submit that through Google Classroom. I'm going to make a second video that shows how to do these with rational numbers. You should watch that video also. Okay.